If you are like me and you don't like those chalky protein powders, you need to get this. Earth Chimp Organic Vegan Protein Shake Mix. Honey, add this to your grocery list. Get you one. So you need 10 ounces of water. Put 2 scoops in the water. That's 1, 2. Smooth consistency. If you want to try Earth Chimp's vegan protein powder, check in my description box. I have a link there. And if you click on the link, there's a gift waiting on you. And the great thing is, with each purchase of Earth Chimp's vegan protein powder, they plant a tree.
That's good.